Amen, amen, amen. Nonke sanibonani, dumelang kaofela luna. I'm standing here representing Amakosagit. I'm standing here embracing my culture. I'm standing here embracing my gift. I'm a prophetess. I'm a prayer. I'm a healer. I'm a mentor. I'm a guider. Why? Because a gifted child gets given so much wisdom. So, know what Heritage Day means to you. Jesus never condemned amasiko. God, who created heavens and earth, never condemned amasiko. Respect your culture, respect your tradition before you pray. Before you pray, you need to know who you are. And who you are must be represented well. Whether umfundisi, whether uyini, whether umzalwane, isiko likhona. Everybody has got a background. Everybody has got a culture. Everyone under the sun have got a surname, has got a culture. What's that? That's where we start breaking generational curses. You cannot break a generational curses before you need to know who you are. You need to know amasiko akho. You need to know yourself traditionally before you pray to God. Jesus had his own culture and tradition.